Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video is about how to fix HP Hotkey support blank pop-up error in Windows 11 and 10.
Click on the Windows icon, search for Services. Open it. Find HP Hotkey UWP service. Right-click to open Properties. Set the startup type to Disabled. Click Apply and OK. Open Window, and then restart your laptop. Copy the download link from the description and paste here, then press Enter. Here downloading starts. Open it. Here click Next. Accept the license and click Next, and again click Next. Wait until it's download. Here click the Finish button. Open Window, and then restart your laptop. Again.